Welcome to this explainer. Have you ever stopped to think about just how much time we waste managing utility bills the old-fashioned way? It's kind of wild, but it turns out a surprising number of late fees actually happen just because of simple mail delivery delays. So today, we're going to look at how to bypass all of that entirely using Evergy's online tools. Look, I totally get it. We are all tired of that monthly paper bill scramble and the stress of potential late fees. But by mastering Evergy's digital portal, you can completely eliminate the friction of physical bills and save yourself some serious time. And honestly, here is the absolute best part. You can do this even if you have zero prior digital banking experience. We're going to walk through this together, step by step, so you can turn what used to be a monthly chore into a totally seamless, stress-free routine. Here is our game plan for today. Setting up your account, locating the bill, making payments, security and troubleshooting, and finally, the benefits and next steps.
Section 1. Setting up your account.
Right out of the gate, you actually have a choice to make. You can set up a fully authenticated My Account portal, which I highly recommend if you want consistent oversight, the ability to track your history, and tools to analyze your energy usage. Or if you're just in a huge rush and need to make a one-time payment right this second, you can use the Guest Pay engine. For Guest Pay, you literally just need your account number and your zip code. But for long-term peace of mind, let's look at creating that full account.
The onboarding process is surprisingly simple. Seriously, no tech expertise is required here. Just open your browser, head over to Evergy.com, click Register right up there in the upper right corner, and securely type in your utility account number along with a few basic identity details. Bam! Your profile's created.
And hey, don't worry about getting locked out. If you ever forget your password, because let's be real, we all do it, just use the built-in password recovery tool right on the login page. It'll shoot a reset link straight to your email, so you're never stuck and can always get to your billing info when you need it.
Section 2. Locating the billing section. Once you're logged in, think of your dashboard as your personal command center. It immediately shows you your outstanding balance and your payment history. But my absolute favorite feature has to be the interactive Understand My Bill tool. Utility bills can sometimes look like they were written in a secret code, right? So if you've ever found yourself wondering what a peak hour demand charge is or why there's a city franchise fee, this tool breaks those definitions down clearly. You'll always know exactly what you're paying for.
Section 3. Making payments.
Okay, so you have quite a few options when it comes to actually paying the bill. Whether you're a fan of using a dedicated mobile app on your iPhone or Android, you like the quick text-to-pay SMS feature, or you just prefer the traditional web portal, you are totally covered. And the best part? Across all these channels, you can securely link a checking account, a savings account, or any major credit or debit card. Plus, these payments post in real time. If you want to jump in and do a standard manual payment, it is a quick 4-step process. You just hit Make Payment, pick the exact date you want the money to move, choose your securely stored card or bank account, and authorize the draft. It puts you in complete control of your cash flow. Now, if you prefer a totally hands-off, set-it-and-forget-it vibe, AutoPay is easily available online right under the Preferences tab. But if you're someone who prefers traditional paper methods, Evergy still accepts a physical, mail-in automatic bank payment form with a voided check. Either way, AutoPay makes sure your bill is deducted exactly on the due date, wiping out the risk of late fees for good. Beyond just the standard payments, you absolutely have to look into Evergy's specialized billing options. The average payment plan is brilliant. It essentially levels out your costs so you don't get hit with those massive budget-busting spikes during a freezing winter or a boiling summer. Also, if you or your spouse receive Social Security or SSI benefits, you can apply for adjustable due dates. That way, your utility bill aligns perfectly with the exact day your checks arrive.
Section 4. Security and troubleshooting.
We definitely need to talk about safety for a second because, unfortunately, utility scams are very real, and it is absolutely crucial to stay vigilant. Scammers are getting tricky. They'll use fake search engine links that look exactly like Evergy, or they'll spoof caller IDs so it actually says the utility company is calling you. So remember this golden rule. Evergy will literally never demand payment via gift cards or peer-to-peer apps like Venmo, Cash App, or Zelle. And they will never, ever call and threaten to disconnect your power in an hour. Real disconnections only happen after multiple official written notifications. So how do you handle it if something feels off? It's simple. If you get a suspicious text, run into a weird payment error, or get an aggressive phone call demanding money, do not click any links. Just stop, open a brand new window, and manually type Evergy.com directly into your browser to check your actual balance. And if you are ever in doubt, just call Evergy's verified customer contact center directly.
Section 5. Benefits and next steps.
By making the jump to these digital pathways, you completely avoid the stress of mail delays or the panic of a lost check. You get instant payment confirmations, meaning you know your account is in good standing that very second. Plus, by checking the box for paperless billing, you drastically cut down on the paper clutter in your house and do your part for the environment. It's just a faster, safer, and cleaner way to manage things. I highly encourage you to take what we've talked about in this explainer today and just go for it. Head over to the Evergy website, get your account registered, and experience the relief of automated, secure online payments for yourself. Conquering that monthly energy bill is literally just a few clicks away.
Just a quick heads up before we go, while we strive for total accuracy in this explainer, utility policies and systems do evolve. Always double-check the official Evergy website for the most current policies, fee structures, and security updates. Now that you know how to easily streamline this monthly chore, it kind of begs the question, what other everyday financial friction in your life could you completely eliminate with just 10 minutes of automation?